So welcome back to the channel, everyone. Triple M here. Today I have 6 shortcuts for your Amazon Fire TV stick that will save you time when navigating your device. Now, if you own a Fire Stick, you know the basic functions of the remote. You can navigate left, right, you can go to your settings, you can find features, you can find different settings using the remote click by click. However, there are some shortcuts, whether it's button combinations or long pressing certain buttons, that will give you additional function to your Fire Stick. So today we have 6 to go over. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments. Also, while you're here, head over to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, select all on notifications. Let's go. All right, so like I said, this will work for your Fire Stick, your Fire TV Cube, your Fire TV Stick Lite, all your Amazon devices, this should work. So let's kick it off with a nice and simple one that some of you might know already. So the first one is gonna be a shortcut to open your system menu. And to achieve that, all you're gonna do is long press the home button on your remote. So this button right here, we're gonna do a long press and we're gonna see the menu come up. Let's try it out. So it took about 7 seconds. Take a closer look. You can see it gives you some menus here that's pretty useful. First one is your profiles. Second one is to get to your applications, your library. You can put the Fire TV stick to sleep. You can mirror, but then you can go to your settings with one click. Now, of course, this is achievable again by clicking down and going all the way over to your settings. However, if you just do a long press here, guys, this makes it a lot easier. So that was the first shortcut, just quickly get into your Amazon Fire TV stick settings. All you have to do is long press the home button. The second shortcut is to quickly adjust your screen resolution. So some of you might be on a 4K display, on a 1080p, 720p, but sometimes it's just a matter of getting the correct resolution for your device. So in order to accomplish that, guys, what you need to do is press and hold the up navigation and rewind button for 15 seconds. So this and this for 15 seconds and you should be good. Let's go ahead and give it a try. All right, so you can see it goes to your resolution, it counts down. So this is a 1080p screen. So start at the higher resolution and then go to the next one until it gets to the resolution that you like. When you reach the resolution that you like, all you have to do is press use this resolution and it should set it to that resolution. So we'll go all the way down to 720p. It'll cycle through 5 seconds. If that's the correct resolution, you can select what you want. So let me just back out of it. To get out of it, just hit the home button. And let's go ahead and we'll try it again. All right, so 1080, 50 hertz, I'm just gonna go ahead and use that resolution. And that's as easy as it is. You can see it did set the resolution to the 1080 at 50 hertz. The third shortcut that we're talking about is to reset your Fire TV stick remote. And this might come in handy. Maybe you have one remote that you use for multiple devices, or you like moving remotes around. If you just want to quickly disconnect, connect to another device, this is where this will come in handy. So I am going to show you how to disconnect it. Then I'm going to show you how to reconnect it to your Fire Stick. So the shortcut to reset your Fire TV stick remote, you're going to hold the back menu and left navigation button for 15 seconds. So again, we're going to hold the back menu and left navigation button. Let's see if we can go ahead and give it a shot. And you can see that this is now not connected, guys. So the Fire Stick will realize it in a second that you don't have a device connected. But you can see I'm pressing the buttons, nothing's happening. It is not connected to my device anymore. All right, so you can see that menu just popped up. So now I should be able to use the remote once again. So the next shortcut for your Fire TV stick is to do a quick restart on your Fire Stick. Sometimes you might get buggy, bogged down, too much resources be used. So instead of going to your menus and go all the way over and go to your settings, there's a shortcut on the remote that you can use to just quickly restart your device. And not to be confused with reset. Restart means just powering the device down and just quickly getting it back up and running. So the 2 buttons for this is select and the play button for 10 seconds. So select and play. All right. So if you guys see right there, it does say your Fire Stick is powering off. So we'll just give it some time. It should power down and then restart once again. So like I said, that one's pretty straightforward. Again, select and play button for 10 seconds. It restarts your Fire TV Stick. Quickly rebooted, so that took no time, guys. Like I said, this will come in handy, especially if your Fire Stick is behind a screen or a monitor that's not easy to get to. Good to know that you can quickly press 2 buttons to restart your device. So the final shortcut that I'm going to tell you guys, I'm not going to demo here just because my Fire Stick's all set up, don't want to kind of erase it. Final shortcut will reset your Fire TV Stick, and when I say reset, I mean completely wipe it, guys. So in order to reset, factory reset your Fire TV Stick, what you need to do is press and hold the back and the right navigation buttons, guys. Hold this for 10 to 15 seconds. You will see a pop-up again. The Fire Stick will start to erase itself, and that will get you out of a jam if the Fire Stick's frozen up, blocked up. Maybe you're quickly wiping it to sell it or give it to someone. That's the quick way to do it. Once again, that button combination is holding the back and the right navigation key, and hold this for 10 to 15 seconds, and it should go ahead and wipe your Fire Stick. So if I were you, I would just put this on a quick cheat sheet, put it somewhere you can get to it easily, and next time you're on your Fire Stick, just try some of them out and see how they're working for you. If you guys have any questions, again, drop it in the comments. This video helped. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.